Introduction to Professor Zahid Mahmood. General Surgeon Professor Zahid Mahmood is widely recognized as one of the foremost authorities in the field of general surgery. With a distinguished career spanning decades, Professor Mahmood has established himself as a leader in surgical excellence, patient care, and medical education. Professor Mahmood completed his medical education at a prestigious institution, where he demonstrated exceptional academic achievement and a passion for surgery. He subsequently pursued advanced training in general surgery, honing his skills in a wide range of surgical procedures and subspecialties. Throughout his illustrious career, Professor Mahmood has garnered a reputation for his expertise in complex surgical cases, including abdominal surgeries, trauma surgery, oncologic procedures, and minimally invasive techniques. His meticulous approach to patient care, combined with his surgical precision and compassionate bedside manner, has earned him the trust and respect of patients and colleagues alike. In addition to his clinical practice, Professor Mahmood is actively involved in research, contributing to the advancement of surgical knowledge and techniques. He has published extensively in peer-reviewed journals and presented his findings at national and international conferences, further solidifying his status as a leading authority in the field. As a dedicated educator and mentor, Professor Mahmood is committed to training the next generation of surgeons. He holds academic appointments at prestigious medical institutions, where he plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of surgery through teaching, mentorship, and academic leadership. Professor Mahmood's contributions to the field of general surgery extend beyond the operating room and classroom. He is actively engaged in professional organizations, serving on committees and task forces dedicated to advancing surgical practice, patient safety, and healthcare quality. In recognition of his outstanding achievements and contributions to the field, Professor Mahmood has received numerous awards and accolades throughout his career. However, it is his unwavering commitment to excellence, integrity, and patient-centered care that truly sets him apart as one of the best general surgeons of his